G'day everyone, and welcome to Venice. This stunning city is like something out of a dream, with canals instead of roads and gondolas gliding through the water. So, grab your virtual gondola, and let's get started on this incredible journey through Venice together. The city is built on a network of canals, so walking and taking water taxis are the main ways to get around. The best time to visit Venice is during the shoulder seasons, spring and autumn. Alright, let's kick things off in the heart of Venice, St. Mark's Square. This bustling piazza is a sight to behold, surrounded by stunning architecture, soaring towers, and of course those famous pigeons. The first thing you'll notice is the magnificent St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece of Byzantine art. Step inside to be greeted by shimmering gold mosaics and intricate carvings. Right next door, you'll find the Doge's Palace, once the seat of Venetian power. And don't forget to climb the Campanile Bell Tower for breathtaking views over the entire city. Now let's step inside the Doge's Palace and delve into the fascinating history of Venice. This palace was the center of Venetian government for centuries, and it's full of incredible art and secret passageways. Be sure to check out the impressive collection of Renaissance paintings by Venetian masters like Tintoretto and Veronese. And don't miss the infamous Bridge of Sighs, connecting the palace to the prisons. Legend has it that prisoners would sigh as they crossed the bridge, catching their last glimpse of freedom. While St. Mark's Square and the Doge's Palace are absolute must-sees, Venice is packed with other incredible attractions just waiting to be discovered. So, let's hop back in our virtual gondola and explore some more. Venice, often called La Serenissima, boasts a history as rich and captivating as the canals that weave through its heart. Founded in the 5th century AD, Venice rose from humble beginnings as a refuge for mainlanders fleeing barbarian invasions. Over the centuries, Venice transformed into a maritime powerhouse, its fate forever intertwined with the sea. The Venetians, masters of shipbuilding and navigation, established a vast trading network that stretched from the shores of the Adriatic to the distant lands of the Orient. This maritime prowess brought unimaginable wealth and influence, shaping Venice into the cultural and economic hub it's known for today. Isolated from the political turmoil of mainland Europe, Venice developed its own system of government, a republic ruled by the Doge and a powerful merchant class. This unique governance allowed Venice to thrive independently for centuries. Venice's maritime dominance wasn't merely a matter of trade, it was a matter of survival. The Venetian arsenal, a sprawling shipyard complex, stands as a testament to the city's naval might. Here, skilled artisans constructed warships, galleys, and merchant vessels with remarkable speed and efficiency. The Venetian Navy, renowned for its strength and organization, played a pivotal role in shaping European history. Venice's strategic location made it a bulwark against Ottoman expansion into Europe. Through shrewd diplomacy and strategic alliances, Venice established trading posts and colonies throughout the Mediterranean and beyond. Today, as we wander through the labyrinthine streets and admire the architectural marvels of Venice, we're witnessing the legacy of this extraordinary past. The palaces, churches, and bridges tell a story of a city that dared to be different, a city built on innovation, resilience, and a deep connection to the sea. From the Byzantine influences of St. Mark's Basilica to the Renaissance masterpieces adorning the Doge's Palace, Venice is a treasure trove of artistic expression. The city's architects, inspired by their travels and the diverse cultures they encountered, created a distinct Venetian style. Venice's legacy extends beyond its physical beauty. The city's spirit of innovation, its artistic brilliance, and its remarkable history continue to inspire and captivate people from all walks of life. Now, let's talk about what truly makes Venice unique: its canals. These waterways aren't just a means of transportation, they're the lifeblood of the city, winding through its heart and connecting its many islands like arteries. Imagine strolling along the water's edge, the gentle lapping of the waves against the ancient stone walls providing a soothing soundtrack to your adventure. Colourful buildings, centuries old, lean gracefully towards each other, their reflections dancing on the water's surface. As you explore these watery pathways, be sure to look out for the intricate bridges that connect the different parts of the city. Each bridge has its own unique character and history, from the Grand Rialto Bridge to the charming hidden bridges tucked away in quiet corners. Of course, no trip to Venice would be complete without experiencing the city from the water, and there's no better way to do that than by gondola. These iconic boats, once the main mode of transportation for Venetians, are now synonymous with romance and the city's unique charm. As you glide silently through the canals, you'll have a whole new perspective on Venice. You'll see the city from the water level, passing beneath bridges and catching glimpses of hidden courtyards and gardens. It's an incredibly relaxing and intimate way to experience Venice, especially in the evening when the setting sun bathes the canals in a warm golden light. Now, while gondolas are the most iconic way to explore Venice's canals, they're not the only option. For a more budget-friendly and adventurous alternative, hop on a Vaporetto, Venice's version of a public bus. These water buses travel along the main canals, offering a fantastic way to see the city from the water and hop on and off at different attractions. And for a truly unique experience, consider taking a kayak tour. While the iconic landmarks of Venice draw crowds from all corners of the globe, there's a certain magic in venturing off the beaten path. Tucked away amidst the labyrinthine streets and canals, you'll find hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. Escape the crowds and wander through the charming Sestiere of Cannaregio, a residential neighbourhood brimming with local life. Here you can stumble upon picturesque squares, bustling neighbourhood markets, and traditional baccari or wine bars. For a dose of art and tranquility, seek out the Scuola Grande di San Rocco, home to a breathtaking cycle of paintings by Tintoretto. And for a truly unique experience, venture into the back streets to discover the Libreria Acqua Alta, a quirky bookstore unlike any other. While Venice itself is an archipelago, there's a whole world waiting to be discovered beyond the main islands. Hop on a Vaporetto and embark on a day trip to the enchanting islands of Murano, Burano, and Torcello. Murano, renowned for its glass-making heritage dating back to the 13th century, is a wonderland of shimmering beauty. Step inside a traditional glass-blowing workshop and witness skilled artisans transforming molten glass into exquisite works of art. Burano, a riot of colour and charm, is a photographer's paradise. Each house on this island is painted a different vibrant hue, a tradition said to have originated with fishermen. For a glimpse into Venice's ancient past, escape to the tranquil island of Torcello. Once a thriving centre of trade and commerce, Torcello is now a peaceful oasis, home to ancient churches adorned with Byzantine mosaics. While Venice's urban charm is undeniable, sometimes a breath of fresh air and a change of pace are in order. Venture beyond the lagoon and discover the picturesque Veneto countryside, a region of rolling hills, vineyards, charming villages, and culinary delights. Just a short train ride from Venice lies Padua, home to the Scrovegni Chapel, a masterpiece of early Renaissance art adorned with frescoes by Giotto. For a taste of Italian wine country, head to the Valpolicella region, renowned for its full-bodied red wines, including Amarone. Visit a local vineyard, stroll through the vineyards, and sample the local vintages while enjoying the stunning scenery. And for a touch of fairy tale magic, visit the enchanting town of Verona, the setting of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Explore Juliet's balcony, wander through the ancient Roman arena, and soak up the romantic ambience of this charming town. While Venice itself is a marvel of human ingenuity, the natural beauty of the Venetian lagoon surrounding the city is equally captivating. The lagoon, a shallow body of water dotted with islands and crisscrossed by canals, offers breathtaking panoramas that shift with the light and the tides. One of the best ways to appreciate the lagoon's beauty is to simply hop on a vaporetto and enjoy the ride. As you cruise along the waterways, you'll be treated to ever-changing views of the city, the islands, and the vast expanse of the lagoon. For a more intimate experience, consider renting a kayak or a small boat and venturing out into the quieter corners of the lagoon. And if you're looking for a truly unforgettable experience, time your visit to coincide with the sunset. While the Venetian lagoon offers a unique blend of nature and urban charm, venturing beyond the city reveals even more of Italy's natural splendor. The lagoon itself is a marvel, with its intricate network of canals and islands, but there's so much more to discover just a short journey away. Just a short distance from Venice, you'll find stunning mountain ranges, picturesque lakes, and charming countryside towns, each offering a different perspective on the beauty of this region. These areas are perfect for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse themselves in nature. For a breathtaking mountain escape, head to the Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its dramatic peaks, verdant valleys, and crystal-clear lakes. The Dolomites are not just a visual feast, but also a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a range of activities from hiking to skiing. Hike through alpine meadows carpeted in wildflowers, challenge yourself with a Via Ferrata climb, or simply soak up the breathtaking views from a mountaintop terrace. The Dolomites offer something for everyone, whether you're an adrenaline junkie or someone who prefers a leisurely stroll. If you're seeking tranquility and natural beauty, a visit to Lake Garda is a must. This serene lake is a perfect spot for relaxation and offers a peaceful retreat from the more tourist-heavy areas. As Italy's largest lake, Lake Garda offers a diverse landscape of charming lakeside towns, rolling hills covered in vineyards and olive groves, and towering mountains that plunge dramatically into the water. The lake's diverse surroundings make it a versatile destination for various activities and experiences. Rent a boat and explore the lake's hidden coves, relax on the beach, or indulge in the region's culinary delights. Whether you're an adventurer or a foodie, Lake Garda has something to offer. And for a taste of Italian country life, venture into the heart of the Veneto region, where you'll find rolling hills blanketed in vineyards, charming villages with cobblestone streets, and a slower pace of life. This region is perfect for those looking to experience the authentic Italian lifestyle. Sample local wines, indulge in farm-to-table cuisine, and immerse yourself in the warmth and hospitality of the Italian countryside. The Veneto region is not just about beautiful landscapes, it's also about the rich culture and traditions that make Italy so special. Well, folks, we've reached the end of our virtual journey through Venice, but I reckon this is just the beginning of your love affair with this incredible city. Venice is a place that captures your heart and imagination, leaving you yearning for more. We've explored the iconic landmarks, uncovered hidden gems, delved into its fascinating history, and even escaped to the breathtaking beauty of the surrounding countryside. Each corner of Venice tells a story, each building whispers secrets of the past. But Venice is so much more than just a collection of sights. It's an experience, a living, breathing entity that invites you to become a part of its timeless narrative. It's the way the light dances on the canals, casting a golden glow that seems almost magical. The sound of a gondolier's voice echoing through the narrow streets, singing traditional songs that have been passed down through generations, the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting from a local bakery, mingling with the scent of the sea breeze. It's the feeling of getting wonderfully lost in a labyrinth of alleys, where every turn brings a new discovery, only to stumble upon a hidden square or a charming bridge you've never seen before. These unexpected moments are what make Venice truly enchanting. Venice is a feast for the senses, a place that stays with you long after you've said arrivederci. The flavors, the sounds, the sights, they all blend together to create an unforgettable tapestry of memories. It's a city that begs to be explored slowly, to be savoured like a fine glass of Italian wine. Take in every moment. Let the city reveal itself to you in its own time. So, take your time, get lost in the magic, and create your own unforgettable Venetian adventure. Let Venice be the backdrop to your own story, one that you'll cherish forever. Now, before I let you go, I've got a few final tips to help you make the most of your trip to Venice. Pack light and wear comfortable shoes. Trust me, you'll thank me later. You'll be doing a lot of walking, and those cobblestone streets can be tough on the feet. Comfortable shoes are a must. Learn a few basic Italian phrases. It's not just practical, but it also shows respect for the local culture. Even just a simple buongiorno or grazie can go a long way. Locals appreciate the effort, and it can make your interactions much more pleasant. Embrace the art of getting lost. Venice is a maze of narrow streets and canals, and that's part of its charm. Some of the best discoveries happen when you wander off the beaten path. You might stumble upon a hidden cafe or a quiet piazza. Don't be afraid to try new things. Venice offers a variety of unique culinary experiences. From cicchetti to gelato, Venice is a foodie's paradise. Indulge in the local flavors and savor every bite. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the ride. Take a gondola ride and let the serene waters of the canals soothe you. Venice is a city meant to be savored, so ditch the itinerary and embrace the slower pace of life. Take your time to soak in the beauty around you. So, what are you waiting for? The adventure of a lifetime is just a plan away. Start planning your Venetian adventure today. There's so much to see and do, and every moment will be worth it. And hey, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you make the most of your trip. Ciao for now, and happy travels. May your Venetian adventure be filled with unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our exciting content. See you on the next adventure.